That's a good question. My thoughts about fixing this problem is sort of just constantly explaining to our students the importance of being able to appreciate each other's cultures. As far as I'm concerned at Oakton, while we have different strands that support specific aspects of learning, our students are all one unit. We're all one family. We're all one school. We're all one team. So there are going to be countless opportunities over the course of the school year where we're reminded of that. One of the ways that I think we've had opportunity to see that is I model that. So it's important for me to not just be present at specific events for ACC, but I also want to be present at as many events as possible for TWE, many events as possible for general ed, and all of our different populations of students and community members at Oakton. Because we're a family, and I think we can't be disconnected and expect for us to grow as an entire school community. We have to be united in order to maximize our students' potential. So with color groups, that's intentional. We really want our kids to go to different classes to be able to understand that they appreciate each other's cultures and they're not just having the same class, whether it be from a program or a strand, or even just the same classroom, literally the section that they're in. Other things we're going to do is school-wide initiatives to where we have school spirit, so we're celebrating the entire school. Grade level initiatives, so we're celebrating the entire grade level, and different pieces like that. So my goal is really to have our students understand that as a school community, we're all in the same family. And while we may come from different cultural backgrounds, we have to appreciate where each other come from in order to recognize where we all must go, which is together. So ultimately, that's my thought. But the more that our students have time to participate in color groups, the more that they have opportunities from field trips to different events like the Mini Monsters Skills Camp, like Career Day, where they'll be infused into different types of classrooms. They'll be able to grow together and appreciate that cultural exchange. And I should see a trickle-down effect in recess, in the hallways, and other events around the school where students are having a unique opportunity to engage with students from outside of their classroom and outside of their strand during school. So those are my quick opportunities to be able to help students understand the way that we'll be able to take care of some of that division and that separate operation that has historically been present here.